Welcome back to Faith and Fit, where we train the body and strengthen the spirit. Today, I'm showing you how to perform an inverted row using a power rack and chains. It's perfect for building back strength and grip endurance. Start by setting a chain on your power rack at about waist height. Loop chains over each end. Make sure they're secure. These chains add resistance as you pull up and ease it as you lower down. Perfect for building explosive power and stability. Now get underneath the power rack. Extend your legs straight with your heels on the floor. Grip the bar shoulders width apart. Keep your body in a straight line, like a plank. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes tight. Now pull your chest up to the power rack. Drive through your elbows and pause at the top. Feel that squeeze between your shoulder blades. Then lower yourself slowly and with control. Keep tension through the whole movement. Notice how the chain lifts and drops down each rep. That shifting resistance challenges your stabilizers and helps you develop better control. This variation is great for strength and muscle activation. Add this move to your back day or your full body faith-fueled routine. And remember, just like in faith, consistency is what builds real strength over time. Subscribe for more fitness tips. Stay strong in body and spirit. God bless.